When it comes to laser cleaning, a frequently asked question is, what is the difference between 1D and 2D cleaning? Well, let me show you. Over here, we have two different types of laser cleaning systems. This is the 1500 LaserMaster Versatile 1D laser cleaning system, and this over here is the 1500 LaserMaster Dedicated in the 2D laser cleaning mode. Both have the same power, right? Now, on the Dedicated, you can choose out of 4 2D patterns. And here you can see them side by side, and now you can see for yourself how much more powerful the 2D system is. And actually, the LaserMaster Dedicated can also be used in a 1D mode. Let's set it to a 1D line and see it in action. Let's just select the 1D line and see it in action against the LaserMaster Versatile. It's faster and more powerful in the 1D mode as well. In addition, you can even widen or narrow the beam size with 2D and make it faster or slower. There is even a gentle mode or light cleaning and a conquer mode for heavy rusted surfaces, and the resulting finishes are also smoother. So if you're looking for a solution for dedicated laser cleaning, choose the LaserMaster Dedicated Rust Off 2D laser cleaning machine. It's simply the best in the market. It cleans rust, paint, oil, you name it. As a matter of fact, why don't you guys come down to AM.CO.za, bring your own substrate and put the machine to the test yourself. I'll see you guys soon.
2023 marks the 10th anniversary of AM.CO.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunny Rock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare parts storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. AM.CO.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.